Hi guys, I'm Zach from NerdWorks Media, and in today's video we are going to be doing another, what's it called? Build versus Bullet, there we go. Yet again, here with us is Mr. Sheldon. Say hello, Mr. Sheldon.
Yo, what's going on?
There we go, there is Sheldon. Okay, so I actually have no idea what kind of budget we're going for. I suppose, basically we're going to let Mr. Sheldon go inside and choose a car, and then, well, we go from there. So, Mr. Sheldon, off you disappear.
6.5 hours later.
Okay, so basically, 44% of your budget that you've spent is 121,000. So, 44%, essentially, basically I'll do 120k.
Yeah, so let's go for like 125.
125k.
That's just like a solid number.
Okay, cool. 125k, I'm good. We can do 125k.
One eternity later.
I actually have extra budget.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Ooh, a Hurricane Evo. Okay.
A Performante,
Oh.
yes.
Oh, it's a Performante, not an Evo.
Yes.
Okay. Just the color threw me off because that's the.
Yes, I specifically picked the matte black option when picking up my car.
The sheepy race sticker on the side gives me nerves.
It's stuck, I swear.
Okay guys, so as you can see, we've obviously made it here. I'm in a fully built Mitsubishi 3000 GT. It has a 4.2 litre V8 twin turbo swap and makes, I don't even know how much horsepower. I'll look now. 1,000 horsepower. So that's great, although it is kind of heavy. Sheldon is in a Lamborghini Performante. There we go.
Yeah. I don't make 1,000 horsepower, but I'm close. I make 630.
That's not bad, let's be honest here.
But I'm all-wheel drive. I don't know about you.
I'm also all-wheel drive. These were all-wheel drive from factory. So
Okay.
I think this is actually going to be an interesting race. We might have oversold the budget a little bit. I was telling Sheldon that I was actually not over budget, like I had extra budget. So I think we might have been a little bit over-sympathetic for our budget
Or,
this time. But
I have an idea.
yeah.
For the future, we could have it that the cars have to remain with their stock engines.
That is actually also an option. We could do that for the future, yeah. Anyway, so as per usual, we're going to start off with just a simple drag race to see how we go off a drag race, essentially, and then the loser will pick the next challenge. Once the loser has picked the next challenge, obviously whoever wins or loses, we see from there. But we just felt that a drag race was the best way to even it out for the first level, if that makes sense. So yeah.
Plus, who doesn't love a drag race?
Also, yes, who doesn't love a drag race?
Right.
I absolutely trashed that launch.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Okay.
If
That was
I didn't,
close. You were pulling on me.
if I didn't screw up that launch, that actually would have been pretty damn close. So I don't know if you want to run that again.
Well, I rev banged.
Yeah, I rev banged first a little bit.
Turn around when it is safe to do so.
So you won that one?
Yeah. Okay, you know what? You won the first run. I'll give that to you. So
Alright.
so
then that makes me
means
the winner.
Yeah, so that means I pick the next challenge. No, I feel bad then, because I feel like this is actually a very powerful car, so maybe you should pick the next challenge.
Oh, you can pick that one. I'll lose the next one, probably, and then I'll just pick the last one.
Alright, maybe we can call the drags then dead heat, and then we have to do 3 races anyway.
Sure.
Oh, I got some sick footage there. Oh,
Holy crap. The ratios on this car suck.
oh gosh. Okay, maybe we should not choose drifting when we're both in all-wheel drive cars.
This is the best I can do.
Just keep
The best.
bungeeing it, dude.
Alright, that was
Alright,
trash.
don't tell me your score, just keep it in mind. Oh gosh. I mean, all things considered, this is actually drifting pretty well. Tell them
Right,
I'm sorry.
senor,
I'm
I
sorry.
have returned.
I'm sorry.
Where am I going?
I'm sorry.
Why am I going off to Narnia?
When I exited the drift, I knocked you, and I was trying to reset you into a nice position, but it just sent you off the fucking cliff. Anyway, do you remember your score?
I do.
Okay. I got 189,000.
I got 312. No, I'm kidding.
Oh. Dude.
No, I got 138.
138?
Yes.
Okay. Well, I mean, I'm not surprised with how much power I'm making. I kind of just, as you can see, light up the tires.
Yeah. Whereas if I floor it, I actually go
Grip.
places.
Yeah. Hey, we're actually pretty closely classed.
Yeah, kinda. Especially for the power you're making.
Yeah, exactly. I didn't realize that the game was just going to glitch out and let us go before it said go. Oh, this is a struggle. Oh gosh. Yeah, you are a lot faster than me. This thing does not do low speed stuff at all.
This is kind of like roles reversed from our last one.
Yeah, pretty much. I won the drag race. You lost the drag race. Although I still won the drifting. But
Yeah. Although you might catch up with that little straight over there.
possibly. Although my lines are terrible. Nope, I hit a tree.
Oop.
Okay, I've decided to be faster. What's actually faster for these corners for me is if I drift them. So I'm just gonna start drifting.
Alright. I've crashed.
I tried to be fancy and used the handbrake for a nice long drift entry, and all it did is made me understeer and into a wall.
Ah. Oh, I have hit a tree.
I've closed the gap a little bit since the last lap, but probably not enough to actually like try to pull a win.
Yeah, I'm not sure. These turns, I'm just like pulling ahead of you.
Yeah, exactly. Especially after I do that.
Plus, I hit a tree over there accidentally. And I now go for the dub.
No!
Indeed, I have finished.
No! Oh, Ripperino.
That was a pretty big gap.
Yeah, there was a pretty meaty gap. Dude, I'm inside a building.
Oh,
Like, come and find me. I'm inside a building. I've like glitched inside the building.
you're not on my map.
You are not on mine either.
Alright.
Have you loaded back in yet?
I
Oh,
see you.
Of course. Oh, do you see me? Dude, I'm in a... No! Oh, dude.
Oh shit.
Dude, I'm like falling into an abyss.
Oh. Try and drive out.
I can't even see what's happening. Ah! Sheldon, stop.
Oh, go forward, go forward. Turn right, there you go. Wait, try going back in there.
It won't let me now. I felt it glitch me back out.
Yeah, it's not working. Oh well.
That's it for today's episode, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Alright, well, thank you very much for joining me, Mr. Sheldon. Thank you all for watching today's episode, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. Cheers.